Hey everyone, welcome back. If Instagram will not open, first restart your phone. After restarting, try opening the app again. Then make sure that your device system software is up to date. And then check that you have enough storage space available. Head over to your settings app, then go to general. After that, go to iPhone storage. If your device storage is nearly full, free up some space to improve performance. Then, if the app still does not open, go ahead and long press on the Instagram app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Instagram, and then update your app to the latest version. If it does not open, delete it and reinstall it from your app store. Once reinstalled, log in again and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, it may be due to temporary outage, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.